Welcome back everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today I'm continuing with my mini series. So that is 8x8 inch canvases with a different base colour coat on, and I'm basically experimenting and having some fun and exploring colour. So today I'm going to do pink and different pink tones, probably going to add in a little bit of white and maybe a bit of silver as well to help those colours pop. So thank you for being with me. Let's see what we can create. Okay, so I've prepared the base of the canvas. What I've done is I have painted the edges, and I've used the Persian Rose by Amsterdam to do that. And you'll see here that I'm using that as my base colour, just paint and water for all of these colours. And these are the tones I'm going to use. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start off layering the base, and as I said, all my paints are just paint and water, so very fluid consistency, perfect for a Dutch pour. So let's just flood this canvas with the pink. I've just mixed my paints. As you can see, there are a lot of air bubbles, but that's okay because I will get rid of those with my torch. I hope that this is thin enough. I hope I haven't made it too thick. Okay. So, we're using pink tones. You've seen the colours. So I'm just going to layer those up now. So I'm going to start with this very dark colour. So I'm going to go for the middle, and I'm going to do 3 layers. So I'm going to do one there, and then one there. Ooh. Okay. So I think I'm going to, at this stage, add my white. Just a touch of white to help those colours kind of pop, because they're all different tones of kind of pink colour. I just wanted to add a little bit of white, and hopefully that's going to help create some cells and some lacing as well. Okay, so let's go for this one. And what I need to be very mindful of, these are very small canvases. These are only 8 inches by 8 inches. So I need to be very mindful of the paint I'm layering on here, because I don't want to waste paint. I don't want to blow too much of the paint off, but I still want enough to be able to create a really nice design. Okay, here's the iridescent colour, and I love this one, so I am going to include quite a bit of that. Okay. So I've still got some of my base colour, which I'm going to use to just go round this puddle so I can flood it and blow it over. But I'm also just going to add some on top. Okay. I think I've got quite a lot on the base, but that's okay. I'm still going to just go round. That's what I'm going to blow over. So I want it to go down there and up there. So, as you can see, I've got a lot of air bubbles again. So I'm just going to get rid of those. Okay. What I would say is, when you're using different tones, maybe just make a little bit extra, because what you can do once it's dry, if there are any gaps either on the edges or on the canvas itself, you've got the original colour to hand to be able to touch those bits up. So, okay, so the plan is I'm going to blow down and then blow up twice. So let's go for it. Ooh, look at this. Wow. Okay. Pretty. Really pretty. Okay, I'm conscious I've got a bit of a gap up here, so not to worry. I'm just going to add a little bit on the corner, and then I'm just going to blow that over. Wow, some of this detail is gorgeous. I think I'm just going to blow that little bit over there. I love it. I'm going to take you in for a close-up. Okay, here we go. Look at those colours. And look at those cells that are forming there. There's some air bubbles just there. So I am going to just torch this again just to get rid of those bubbles. But yeah, I'm really happy with this. Look at the iridescent. I don't know if you can see the iridescent shining through. I love that line just there. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let this dry and I'll take you in for a close-up. Here we go. Here's the dried version. What do you think, guys? Do you like it? Do you like the colour palette that I chose to go with the pink base? I'd love to know what you think. I just love the detail and some of those cells that have been created with this Dutch port. And again, this is just paint and water. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.